Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your portfolio with Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your portfolio with Fiverr, begin by identifying your niche. Research current trends and demands in your area of expertise. Create a Fiverr account if you don't have one already. Once signed up, focus on crafting a compelling profile. Choose a professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Write a clear, concise bio that highlights your skills and experience. Next, list your services by creating gig offerings. Use attractive titles that include relevant keywords. Clearly outline what you will deliver in each gig description. Set competitive pricing while considering your level of expertise. Include options for different tiers of service to attract various clients. Add relevant tags to ensure your gigs appear in search results. Focus on high-quality images and samples that showcase your work. If possible, incorporate a video introduction to engage potential buyers. Consider offering a limited-time promotion to draw in your first clients. Monitor your gigs for feedback and reviews from buyers. Use constructive criticism to refine your offerings and approach. As you complete transactions, ask satisfied clients for testimonials. Revisit your portfolio regularly to update with new projects. Showcase a variety of work to demonstrate your versatility. Promote your gigs outside of Fiverr by sharing on social media. Join relevant online communities and forums to network. Leverage SEO techniques to increase visibility for your gigs. Consistently engage with clients to build rapport and repeat business. Keep an eye on competitor offerings to stay competitive. Adjust your pricing and services based on market feedback. Learn from successful freelancers on Fiverr by observing their strategies. Use Fiverr's analytics tools to track your performance over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.